Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pull a wonderful shot of espresso and make a beautiful cappuccino on the Breville dual boiler. Let's go! By now you've already ground your coffee. I ground mine on my niche 0, setting 15. I love that the Breville dual boiler is 58 millimeter. Now I'm going to tamp it. This is a force tamper. So the force tamper will tamp the same pressure every single time. So you don't need to do too much, but I hold it right here on the collar. And this is how I'm going to tamp it. No sweat. Always returning my tools back to their original position. I'm turning on my scale. This is the setting I have my scale on. I have a water droplet and a square. That means that is going to, the square means it is going to tear when something's on it. Tear. The water droplet means that it's not going to start recording the weight until water starts flowing through the coffee. So before I do my first shot, I want to purge the machine. This is to heat it up. This is to get things going through the pump. Just a few times, and this is for your first shot of the day. I'm gonna take my rag, just get rid of that water. There we go. Place it right under the portafilter. Make sure you have your mirror. Your mirror is going to show you what the extraction looks like in the shot. So I'm going to switch camera angles and I'm going to tell you what I'm seeing in this mirror. So here we are close up. I have my espresso machine ready to go. What we're going to do is we're going to hold the manual button down. And while I do that, I'll show you the extraction in the mirror. See this? Looking right at the bottom of the portafilter. And wait until it's completely covered. Right there. So that was a 30-second pre-infusion, which is a little bit too long, which means that our grind is probably too fine. Now I'm waiting until my weight gets to 44. You can tell that my coffee is channeling, and that's due to the fact that the grind is too fine. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make sure I can hold this top part down because it goes all over the place. But I'm going to pull the portafilter out, purge the machine. I'm going to take the puck. I'm going to slide it out just like that. See that? I'm going to take this portafilter and I'm going to either go to the sink and wash it off, or I'm going to use the hot water knob right here. And I'm going to take my rag, make sure to clean it out. Portafilter is clean. Every week I'm going to soak this portafilter in my steaming pitcher, my milk pitcher, and I'm going to put Kafiza powder in that. So now for steaming the milk. You can see I got some nice cream on there. Hopefully I can steam the milk well. So purge until there's steam only, dry steam. You don't want water in your milk. Hear that whipping noise? I'm going to do that for about 12 seconds. $11, $12. I'm going to integrate those bubbles I just created into my milk until it's a little too hot to touch. Right when you pull it, get that clean wipe. Quick purge. Now I have my milk. Looks pretty good. Not horrible. That's a good coffee. So now that I'm done with my beautiful espresso, here's what I'll do. Purge the wand, make sure I did it before. Wipe things down. Don't be too aggressive with the scale. The scale is a very precise piece of equipment. Double tap to turn the scale off. Put all of your equipment where it belongs. Make sure your milk pitcher is rinsed very thoroughly. I like to place it either on the top, or if your steam wand is still a little dirty because milk got burned on there, I'll put water in it and I'll put it right like that. Now you can walk away and enjoy your espresso drink.